ClickOnCare.com.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about the Bellissa Lite Cream. It is marketed by Bellissa Pharmaceuticals. As you can see, it is a skin lightening and brightening cream. It works as a natural remedy for hyperpigmentation of skin, melasma, dark spots and brown spots, and uneven skin tone. It comes in a 20-gram pack and it has many benefits. It will improve the fairness to the skin. It maintains even skin tone. It provides antioxidant support to the skin. It nourishes the skin to make it bright and radiant. It protects you from the UV rays, and it is a fast absorbing cream as well. Now I'll tell you how you will apply this cream. First, you clean your face and neck with cold water. Pat dry before applying the cream. Now you massage the cream until it disappears. Apply the cream twice daily. You can buy this cream online on ClickOnCare.com.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store.
Now on Android and